Ka Frank Motors ka breakaway na ka showroom bapawnam ha jela kala plipat ba sendan ya ka next gen Tata Tiago but next gen Tata Tiago EV ha ka showroom jangka hamolai ha gani si lawan bandan lang ba Shining Star mascot bade senior manager ka Indian Bank kum kongsan ba indan lang pasa bade utrai ka Frank Motors ka kong iwar ka lingdo kinang trei bat ki ba syakot sumba Hagani jingalang plipat ba lapani ya kali hatchback ke thymmai jangka Tata Motors ki bawan ba kadur ke ba itanat ki kor jingerap ba menta ke jingsingan ke ba khamba ba kador ke ba ihap kador sedang jangka next gen Tata Tiago kalong sau point ndrip khndailak ke ba next gen Tata Tiago EV ke sedang nduk kan 2 point khndailak X showroom ka Tiago EV ke dandru hakarukom battery ASA service base hakador South Point rip knailak berkejing siu arpoint riu 10 kilometer na benda ke bateri ke balongkat kum ki kendon bat ke jinyate ke booking berka test drive ke la play menta habrok showroom jangka Frank Motors ha ke jelam menglia la khat sombai ke ba wan saka showroom ke ba marjan ban saki ya ke next gen Tiago bat ban yo jumantai na ki offer bakerpang ke finance scheme bat ki exchange benefit Ka next gen Tata Tiago kawan ha ka variant petrol bat ICNG ringkat bagajing itanat ke batmai ka jingyo shong ke besuk bat ki kor jingerap ki bastart kat ba ka Tiago EV kawan ra ya ke jingsuk ha ka jingyat kali electric da ka fast charging ki kor jingerap ki bastart ki lifetime high voltage battery warranty bat ka jinglut ke baduna ha ka jingyat
New build designed with smart technology and also with a superior comfort. We are not here just launching a car. We are launching a thousands new journey, first friends and many more memories in Meghalaya. So without taking much of the time, once again I would like to welcome each and every one of you and to have a pleasant evening. Thank you.
Di hagani ketemti ke pemenlaru kejian ti jo Tata hagani ke senjang ke pementa banwanra yang kali ki bapir naga benta ban poi ban mau jam hagani telun jong kapur kata kalau kebudan kam ban ke jingi dan kam naga liam jong ke company Tata kumta ka ship ni kala ai yang i bagi experience yang di kali kibagi iyo na kami kapor kini models kami katung ke jingwa katung ke jingwa kamu jong kapor kita ke jing kenau in betiang kapor bagi pelut ba kita ke bagi betiang apa kali kami for the past 10 years one name has answered all these questions mata Rashid Husnan tang away kali kepada jumpa ini baru ke jing ti bagi kelima ni manasni bagata kalau Tata Tiago palatnya hanya lak kilong ye hari ini ya kilang priang ya ka Tata Tiago kilong ye long sep kijoki yes we have welcomed Tata Tiago into the family. It has been the first car for young professionals, the trusted companion of growing families and a reliable partner for daily commutes. We have juga bekam kejungi guman kesini ngidon kami kata kaperlok kapalak menyelam lagi naik syaka jagat tren klem dan gedung jingtun
launched in 2022. After just 4 years in the market, 75,000 plus units were sold so far. In the market, where many OEMs are overlooking on entry-level hatchbacks in favor of the SUVs, Tata Motors has chosen a different path. The next gen Tiago has been developed to raise the benchmark by delivering features, safety, and value that exceeds expectations in the segment. So, I'll just explain a bit about the features in the exterior. The new Tiago has got the large beam LED headlamps and also the sporty white front grille, halo light connected tail lamps, sharp fin antenna with GPS, and also the Cosmo Green textured wheel arch and cladding. These are all first in the segment of a hatchback. In the interiors, we've got the area connectivity with 35 plus connected car features. Also, the ultra view with 6.03 centimeters HD touchscreen infotainment, dual wireless charger, 360 SBS HD camera with multiple 2D 3D views, and also live view monitors, and also a digital island cluster. Are you all aware of the starting price of the Tiago? Can you share? How much is it? Sorry? Wrong guess. Another? Anyone? Sorry? Okay. The starting price of the new Tiago is just 4,69,000. So if you're looking for a car that gives you confidence on the road, low running costs, and the reliable of Tata Motors, the new Tiago